We could sense your frustration earlier in the press conference because of your disappointment over what the other panel had submitted in the pretrial conference. Can you elaborate on your frustration?
We mentioned earlier in the press conference na tingin natin na tunog lata kapag ginalaw-galaw mo yung pre-trial brief, no? And if tunog lata na siya, what more the trial proper? Dahil nakita natin at the very core of the pre-trial brief submitted by the defense team of VP Sara Duterte, wala pong affirmative defenses, wala pong independent arguments other than to simply rebut through a general denial yung mga allegations in the articles of impeachment. And again, no, yung pag-summon ng issues on technicalities that were already ruled upon in previous House Committee on Justice hearings and pleadings, pero rehashed again here at the pre-trial brief and in the conference. So that's frustrating because we want answers. The people have been clamoring for answers for years. And in this supposedly first step before the trial hearings, hindi pa rin po natin nakuha yun.
But this should make your job easier.
May ganun nga pong pagtingin because kung titimbangin din yung dalawang arguments, medyo may limitation yung general denial compared sa allegations and you supplement and you support it with evidence. Pero ang interest din naman natin dito ay yung proseso ng pananagutan, yung pag-provide ng due process to both parties. At syempre, we hope that both parties take those opportunities, no, hold on to them para ma-exercise nila ng diligently. And we can see with the submissions of VP Sara Duterte, no, even though the greatest allowance of due process was provided to her, to the Office of the Vice President, hindi pa rin po natitake yung mga opportunities na ito.